Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a kawaii Christmas Rudolph Reindeer out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a small ball of brown clay, and I'm gently pressing the front and sides so that it creates a dome and the back becomes flat. Then to make the ears, I've got a smaller ball of the same colour, and I'm flattening it with my finger and pinching the sides into a diamond shape. I've then gone ahead and made a smaller pink diamond, and I'm placing that on top and then cutting them in half to make two triangles. And then placing them onto either side of the head. And then blending them on with a needle tool. Next, I have a small ball of tan clay, and I'm just pressing it into a disc with my finger. And placing it onto the center of the head to make the muzzle. And then I have a tiny ball of red clay, and I'm placing it onto the top of the tan disc. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm pressing on some small balls of light pink. Next up, to make the antlers, I have a small ball of the same tan clay, and I'm rolling it into a thin snake. Then just using my blade, I'm cutting off 4 pieces, so just 2 shorter ones and 2 longer ones. I'm then trimming the end of the shorter piece at an angle. Next, I'm placing one longer piece on the top of the head next to one of the ears, and a shorter piece on top of it at an angle. Then repeating on the opposite side. And to turn it into a charm, I'm adding in an eye pin. And then baking everything fully using my package's instructions. And then once it's cooled down completely, to make the nose really shiny, I'm just glazing it with some UV resin. And then I'm securing the eye pin with some Superglue. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!